What's up, Griddle lovers? It's Steve from Made In, and I am so proud to share with you the newest piece to our carbon steel collection, the Griddle. Ours is inspired by those used in professional kitchens, but it's designed to work at home. So it's perfect for home cooks that want to use it on their stovetop or for those that want to take it outside on the grill. I am so excited to talk to you about 3 critical features that we built into this griddle. First feature is its carbon steel construction. Griddles are made of a number of different materials, from aluminum to steel, but most, famously, is cast iron. Cast iron is great. I absolutely love it for its heat retention, but when designing this, something was missing, and that one thing was temperature control. It's extremely important, especially for professionals. Carbon steel can reach high temperatures very quickly, but just as quickly drop back down to the temperature you need, which is critical when cooking food. Now, cast iron isn't going to do that. We all know once cast iron is hot, and it's staying there for a while. Our griddle can safely reach up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll work outside on the grill, inside in the oven, and on a number of different types of stovetops. From induction to gas to electric, all of those work just fine. Now, the second feature I'm excited about are its sloped sides. Cooking on a griddle, it's flat, and it can make you a little nervous working with some of the grease spilling off the sides. Now, with this griddle, you can hold up to 40 ounces of liquid, which is amazing. But most importantly, what I wanted to do when designing this was keep the edges relatively flat, so when you're using a spatula, it's totally ergonomic. Feature number 3 that I'm extremely excited about are the raised handles. Many cast iron griddles have a handle that's flush to the surface that make it very difficult to work with. So what I wanted to do when designing this was raise the handles to make it easier to carry it around, keep you more ergonomic when moving this thing from place to place. And finally, to keep your transport easy and stylish, we have these Italian leather handle covers that were hand sewn in the state of Massachusetts for your griddle. So now that you know a few things that I love about our griddle, order yours today. I can't wait to see what you cook with this, whether it's pancakes for breakfast, grilled cheese for lunch, or burgers for dinner. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer support team that is standing by.